there, buddy. What seems to be the problem?
Not much, man. I just seem to have the hiccups really bad, you know?
I have just the thing.
Oh, you have a method, huh?
So here, all you want to do is just put this on your head and breathe in. Here.
Thanks, man. So what do I do? Just put this on?
That'll really help the hiccups from escaping your mouth. It'll like hold it in.
Hey, I think... Ah, shoot.
Snap.
Now what?
Well, here, I have another solution. Try this.
Oh, okay. So what do I do with this?
Yeah, just use it to like just sort of stab yourself in your lungs so that way the hiccups escape.
Well, all right. I guess so. Hey, I think it... Oh, dang it.
Snap. I was sure that was going to work. Well, I guess there's only one more option.
No.
It had to be done. At least your hiccups are gone now. Oh, come on!